If you're watching this, get ready because NEO is going to explode. If you haven't added NEO to your portfolio yet, do it ASAP. This is the catalyst we've been waiting for. Stay tuned to find out what. Hey, welcome to Moneymaker. Moneymaker is a channel dedicated to helping others become financially independent through cryptocurrency trading and investing. Before we get into the video, don't forget to drop a like on this video and subscribe to the channel if you haven't already. Make sure that the post notifications are turned on so that you never miss a video from us. This video is for educational purposes. Do conduct your own due diligence and consult your financial advisor before making any investment decisions. NEO is a cryptocurrency and blockchain platform similar to Ethereum that may be used to create a scalable network of decentralized apps. Da Hongfei and Eric Zhang's NEO currency declares itself to be a distributed network for a smart economy. The noteworthy thing with NEO, like Stellar and Bitcoin, is its remarkable 12-month price performance. NEO was trading at $10 in May 2020, and it reached a reasonable level of $147.75 in May 2021, which was still short of the January 2018 peak of $207, and it is now trading at $46.87 on 12 August. The introduction of new cryptocurrencies and blockchain apps accelerated in late 2020 and the first months of 2021, owing to the drive to decentralized economy and governance. This trend was launched by Ethereum, and several cryptocurrencies and blockchain projects have since followed by hosting multiple dApps and smart contracts. NeoCoin, NEO, formerly known as AntShares, has grown in popularity as a platform for smart contracts and decentralized applications, dApps. Crackdown. Although it hasn't been able to hold gains throughout the Chinese government's crypto crackdown, it is supposed to be a direct competitor to Ethereum and is also known as Chinese Ethereum or Ethereum Killer. Another characteristic that makes NEO more appealing is that, unlike Ethereum, it pays dividends to its owners. NEO also uses a digital identity to record tangible assets, which means the new coin has a number of features that have helped it become popular in a short period of time. NEO's identical price rise trajectory to Bitcoin has given it an advantage in the competition among new digital currencies. Over the course of a year, the king of cryptocurrencies went from $7,150 to $64,000. When we look at NEO's price fluctuations over the same time period, we can see that the new coin has gained nearly the same amount as Bitcoin. NEO gained plus 755% in the 12-month period ending in May, whereas Bitcoin gained roughly plus 795% in the same period. However, when comparing the pricing of NeoCoin to those of its rival Ethereum, the second largest cryptocurrency is now in the lead. The Ethereum currency was trading at $174 in April 2020. Nevertheless, by mid-April 2021, the coin had risen to $2,300, a gain of roughly 1,220%, and the rise continued until May. Price performance. During the last 12 months, Ethereum has experienced a significant price rise advantage, and it is the only currency to have gained so much. Apart from price fluctuations, NEO and Ethereum blockchains are deemed more versatile than Ethereum when it comes to implementing self-executing code contracts known as smart contracts. NEO's blockchain is remarkably multilingual, which makes it stand out. It implies NEO developers may use programming languages like JavaScript, Python, and Go to write smart contracts. Because the Ethereum blockchain only utilizes one scripting language, Solidity, programmers must learn it from the ground up, making it less user-friendly. NEO has a distinct edge over Ethereum in that it is a multilingual blockchain, which can boost its pricing in the short and long run. NeoCoin has a market cap of $332.49 billion, according to CoinMarketCap. Yet, it can process more transactions per second, TPS, than Ethereum, the world's second largest cryptocurrency, which had a market cap of $356.34 billion. The Ethereum blockchain can only process 15 TPS, whereas the NEO blockchain can process 10,000 TPS. Another intriguing benefit that NEO has over Ethereum is that many NEO transactions are free, whereas Ethereum's gas prices are extremely high. It's also been dubbed a wealth blockchain. NEO and Ethereum are diametrically opposed in many ways, from scalability and technology to philosophy. Nonetheless, both coins feature smart contracts and decentralized apps, and the rising popularity of these projects has boosted the cryptocurrency market. Because smart contracts and decentralized applications, or dApps, have a lot of potential in the current and future age, demand for blockchain platforms that support these projects will also rise, which will help drive NEO and other similar digital assets values higher in the future. NEO is China's first blockchain network and is also known as Chinese Ethereum. China and Korea were instrumental in propelling cryptocurrency prices higher during the 2017 boom. Previously, China was the source of around 75% of Bitcoin trading. The Chinese government was not pleased, and in order to retain tight control, harsh controls were imposed on the cryptocurrency market in China. Endorsement: NEO is also known as China's official cryptocurrency because it has received the government's endorsement by adhering to regulations. Given the size of China's population, Chinese citizens have a substantial investing stake in the Bitcoin market. The Chinese government is already wary, and any restriction or regulation imposed on any cryptocurrency could draw attention to NEO. Any positive decision made by the Chinese government and people in favor of cryptocurrency would boost NEO adoption and prices. NEO, sometimes called Ethereum Killer or an Ethereum upgrade, poses a danger to Ethereum due to the latter's tremendous competition. Both projects are similar in design and provide a platform for smart contracts and decentralized applications, dApps. They have formed a fierce rivalry. Ethereum is renowned as the queen of cryptocurrencies, and it has remained a dominant coin in the market. NEO, on the other hand, is a relatively young technology with a long way to go. As a result of the high level of competition, increased Ethereum prices may induce a negative movement in NEO pricing and vice versa. When supply and demand meet in any market, product prices are established. The scarcity of a commodity raises the price of that commodity. Cryptocurrencies are distinct from traditional products and services in that their supply is hard-capped. The limited supply of coins heightens the sense of scarcity and drives up coin values. NEO's supply is also capped at 100 million coins, with 70.5 million presently in circulation. It means there are just about 25 million NEO tokens left, making NEO rare. As supply cannot be changed, scarcity will only grow with time, and the restricted supply feature will be a driver driving NEO currency values higher. The NEO blockchain platform may be used to develop a wide range of applications, including identity theft protection, supply chain monitoring, and many more. By default, these apps use the NEO token as their in-app money. Any future expansion of this part of the platform could have a significant impact on the demand for NEO coins. Bitcoin remains the king of cryptocurrencies, for better or worse, thanks to its dominance in the cryptocurrency industry, and it can still have a significant impact on the market. The connection between Bitcoin and NeoCoin is 0.77, indicating that Bitcoin has a significant influence over NeoCoin and can drive its pricing. Other cryptocurrencies, including NEO, will follow Bitcoin's lead if it goes on a bull run. In the same way, if Bitcoin falls, the NeoCoin and many other cryptocurrencies will fall with it. NEO is a superior long-term investment to many other cryptocurrencies because of its enormous potential. The price of NEO peaked this year between May and April. Following the significant spike in the price of NEO, a downward price trend is developing, similar to that of 2018. The decline is accompanied by significant volumes, implying that sellers are looking to lower the price of NEO. Considering the past instance in 2018, when the price returned to its base after the largest gain, the forecasted NEO depreciation might now race to its historical low, around $4, marked with a red line. The weekly chart provides a much clearer picture of the present market scenario. Because the emerging bearish trend is accompanied by an increase in seller activity, we can see that it has a lot of potential. The MACD line's location is another indirect indicator that the projected downturn will continue. It crossed the signal curve from top to bottom in May, indicating that the preceding bullish trend had come to an end. The indicator histogram is currently in the red zone, with no indications of a trend reversal. Most certainly, the price will continue to fall in the future. The intensity of the fall, on the other hand, will lessen. The trend line has now been broken, and the downturn is continuing at a less sharp angle. Price movement in the market followed a similar path in 2018. There is no reason to expect anything else in the next 3 months. NIO is projected to trade in a range of $40 to $59. And with that, it's time to end the video. We hope this video was informative. Do let us know in the comments section below about which one you think is the best. Subscribe for more content just like this one and share it with your friends. Also, don't forget to smash that like button and press the bell icon to get notified about our new videos. Until then, fellas.